After you confirm that it doesn't infringe on any copyright laws, download your poster, and what you'll do is you'll get your print files. The print files will come up, and what you have to do is just go to the print button, hit the print button, and the dialog box comes up, and you can print pretty much US letter, 100% resolution. It's good. And you go to preview, and you go to media and quality, and normally what we can do is select auto select and just do regular paper or photo. Today let's do just regular paper, plain paper. Normally sets, there you go. And all you have to do is do the best resolution whenever you can and print. Make sure your paper is loaded correctly, and you should have no problem. The overlaps will be there that you can cut away later and tile and put on the wall. That's simple.